Hello students, today we are going to solve 10th standard algebra, second chapter quadratic equation in that practice set 2.5. Okay, so before I could start practice set, I want to give a small introduction. Okay, points to remember. Okay, to solve practice set 2.1, this will be helpful for the solve practice set 2.5. Okay, so we all know first nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Okay, so we all know the roots of a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, we all know the roots of this when a is not equal to 0. Okay, we know there are two roots for this quadratic equation. No, this is denoted by alpha, that is two roots. One is minus b plus b square minus 4ac, no, divided by 2a. Okay, another one is beta, that is minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, this there are two roots, no, and secondly you have to remember that is alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and alpha multiplied by beta is c by a. Only this you have to remember. To this will help. This will always this will help to solve practice at 2.5. Okay, this remember this equation, you know, no, this formula you know na. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha multiplied beta is c by a. Just remember. Okay, so therefore the nature of roots of quadratic equation of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is always determined by the value of b square minus 4ac, value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, and this is also called discriminant. Okay, and it is always denoted by Greek letter delta. B square minus 4ac is always is called discriminant, and it is always denoted by delta. Okay, therefore when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is delta. Okay, delta is greater than 0. Okay, then the roots of a quadratic equation is the roots of a quadratic equation is real and unequal. Okay, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, delta is greater than 0, the roots of quadratic equation is real and unequal. Okay, secondly, b square minus 4ac is, that is delta is equal to 0. Okay, the roots of a quadratic equation is real and equal when this delta is equal to 0. Okay, and third one is when b square minus 4ac, that is delta is less than 0. Okay, less than 0, the roots of a quadratic equation is not real. Okay, not real. The roots of the quadratic equations are not real. So when delta is greater than 0, the roots of a quadratic equation is real and unequal. Okay, when delta is equal, the roots of a quadratic equation is real and equal. Okay, and when delta is less than 0, the roots of a quadratic equation is not real. Okay, this is, and one more you have to remember formula. See, we have solved many quadratic equations, and we used to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. No, in all these practice sets we used to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. Now the roots will be given. Okay, roots will be given. We have to make a we have to form a equation. Okay, for that one formula is there. For that formula is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, okay, equal to 0. This is the formula you have to remember to form a equation. Here in this, roots will be given. Okay, roots will be given. You have to form a equation, that is x square, using this formula, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta, that is alpha multiplied by into beta, equal to 0. See, first comes minus, then comes plus. Okay, only this much you have to remember. Okay, now we'll start practice set 2.5. Okay, here just we recall. See, here first alpha plus beta is minus b by a. You have to remember this. Okay, and alpha into beta is c by a. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. That you have to remember. Here you have to remember b square minus, that is b square, when delta is b square minus 4ac, that is delta is greater than 0, the roots of the quadratic equation is real and unequal. Real and unequal. Okay, when delta is equal to 0, the roots of a quadratic equation is real and equal. Okay, real and equal. And delta is less than 0, the roots of a quadratic equation is not real. Okay, and to form a equation, this is the formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This formula you have to remember. Now we can solve practice set 2.5. Okay, so practice set 2.5. Okay, fill in the gaps and complete. Okay, first one is quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, that is b square minus 4ac is 5, and another one is b square minus 4ac is minus 5. So we have to write here, fill up these gaps here, to fill in the blanks are there. So we have to fill up. See, one b square minus 4ac equal to 5. This is already b square minus 4ac is called, that is delta, that is also called discriminant, and this discriminant is delta is greater than 0. This 5 is greater than 0. No, therefore nature of roots is, what is the nature of the roots is real, and greater than 0 means unequal. No, real and unequal. Real and unequal. Here delta, b square minus 4ac is delta. Delta is minus 5. Minus 5 means less than 0. No, less than 0. What is the condition? When it is delta is less than 0, here it is, they have roots are not real. Okay, no real roots, we can write no real roots. No real roots. Okay, see in this here. Now see, delta is greater than 0 is real and unequal, that is greater than 0, real and unequal, and this is minus 5, less than 0, that delta is less than 0, that is not real or no real roots. Okay, now second one is sum of roots is minus 7. Okay, first box. Second one is here quadratic equation we have to form. Here product of roots is 5. So what is the formula? We have formula, no? Here, see, this is the formula here. Okay, so for this we'll do here, we'll simplify here. Formula will write here for this. What is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta into equal to 0. Now this is a formula to form a equation. Okay, sum of roots is -7, therefore alpha plus beta, that we have to remember, no? Alpha plus beta, how much? -7 is given here. Okay, and alpha beta, that is product of is 5. Okay, alpha beta is 5. Now we have to substitute this one in this formula. Okay, so therefore x square minus alpha plus beta is -7 x plus alpha beta is 5 equal to 0. Therefore x square minus plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. This is the answer we have to write in this box. Okay, we'll write x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, third one is, if alpha beta are roots of quadratic equation, okay, then this is the quadratic equation given, say 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. We have to find out alpha plus beta and alpha multiplied by beta. Okay, so we'll calculate here. So this is the given equation, 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So we have to write here comparing with the standard formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is 2, b is -4, c is -3. No? Now alpha plus beta is, what is formula, what to remember? Minus b by a. No? That is minus, and here -4 divide by a. A is 2. That is minus plus 4 by 2. That is answer is 2. Here alpha plus beta is, answer is 2. Okay. Now alpha multiplied into beta, that you have to find out. Here we'll do alpha into beta, that is that is c by a. No, c by a. C is 0 by not 0. C is c is equal to 0. C is -3 c. C is -3 by a. A is 2. This is the answer. So we have to write here alpha into beta is -3 by 2. -3 by 2. Okay. Second one is find the value of discriminant. First equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. So we have to compare with our standard formula and write a, b and c. Then find out b square minus 4ac, that is called discriminant, no? And simplify. Okay, so first comparing with our standard formula, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That is a is 1, okay, B is 7 and C is -1. Okay. Therefore, delta is, we have to find out the discriminant, no? Therefore delta, that is 4 square minus b square minus 4ac, no? B square minus 4ac, this is called discriminant, that is denoted by delta. Okay. Therefore b square, b is 7, 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c into -1, c is -1, that is 7 sevens are 49, minus plus 4 ones are 1 ones are 4 ones are is 4, 49 plus 4 is 49 150, 53, answer is 53, that is delta is 53. Okay, delta is 53. Second one is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Therefore solution is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, standard formula. Therefore a is 2, b is -5 and c is 10. Therefore delta, that is b square minus 4ac, that is b square is -5 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 10, that is -5 multiplied by -5 is plus, no? So therefore 5 5s are 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80, or 10 2s are 20, 20 multiplied by 4, see 20 multiplied by 4 is 480s, therefore -80 plus 25, so 55, answer is -55, that is delta, discriminant is, okay, delta is -55. Third one is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Now we have to comparing with x square. Here for example, here what happens, see here we have to ax square plus bx plus c, we have to write in the form of y. Okay, always I forget, a y square plus b y, okay, plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form. Now its y variable is y. Okay, so you can write, while writing you have to write in this form, a y square plus b y plus c equal to 0. Okay. So here also, here it is ax square plus ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is root 2, b is 4, c is 2 root 2. Okay. Therefore delta is b square minus 4ac, that is b square is 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is square root 2 multiplied by c is 2 root 2, that is 4 4s are 16 minus, here it is how to multiply this 4 and this 2, you have to multiply. Okay, 4 2s are 8 multiplied by this root 2 and this root 2. Okay, that is 16 multiplied by 8 minus 8. 2 root 2 multiplied by root 2 means what? only 1 2. Okay, that is 16 minus 8 to the 16, that is 0. Delta is 0. Answer is 0. Okay. Third one is determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. Okay, same type. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Solution is, we have to compare with our standard formula, write a and b and c value, then find the discriminant delta. Okay, same. Okay, now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is 1, okay, b is minus 4, c is 4. Okay, therefore now delta is b square minus 4ac. That is b square is minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 4. 4 4 is 16. Minus minus becomes plus. 4 4 is 16. Here 4 multiplied by 4 is 4 4 is 16. Again 16 is 0. This is delta is 0. Now, so determine the nature here. Determine the nature of roots of a following quadratic equation. Now, see delta is 0. What is the condition? When b square minus ac, b square minus 4ac, that is delta is equal to 0. There, the roots of the quadratic equation is real and equal. No, that is the answer we have to write. Therefore, how to write? We'll write here delta is equal to 0. Okay, delta is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation is real and equal. No, real and equal. So delta is 0. The roots of the given quadratic equation is real and equal. Second one is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. So comparing with y square plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore a is 2, b is minus 7, c is 2. Therefore delta is b square minus 4ac. b square is minus 7 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 2, c is 2. That is minus minus plus, 7 7s are 49, minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 49 minus 16 is 33 is 33. This is delta is 33. Now delta is 33. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equation is greater than 0. No, this is, therefore answer is, how to write? Delta is 33. The roots of the quadratic equation is greater than 0 is real and unequal. No, real and unequal. This is greater than 0, real and unequal. Okay. So here delta is 33, but write delta is greater than 0. Write like this. Okay. Therefore delta is greater than 0, the roots of a quadratic equation is real and unequal. Okay. Here third one is m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. This is plus. Comparing with ax square, not ax square, am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Therefore, a is 1, b is 2, c is 9. Therefore, delta is b square minus 4ac. Okay. b is 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 9. This is 4. 9 4s are 36. That is minus 32. 6 minus 4. 36 minus 4 is 32. Here it is minus. No. Therefore delta is minus 32. Therefore, delta is less than 0. Minus means what? Less than 0. Okay. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equation is no real roots. Okay, or not real. No, not real. Okay. Fourth one is form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. See, here are two roots are given. One is 0, one is 4. Okay. Let us consider alpha be 0 and beta be 4. These are two roots. First you have to find out alpha plus beta, then alpha into beta. Okay, then we have to use that formula to form a equation. No, we have formula, we have to use and substitute. Okay, so a solution, first let alpha and beta be roots of quadratic equation. Okay, therefore let alpha be 0 and beta be 4. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta, this 0 plus 4 is answer is 4. Therefore alpha into beta, that is 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. No, therefore the quadratic equation is, we have to use that formula. Which formula? X square minus alpha plus beta x. Okay, then plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the formula. We have to now x square minus alpha plus beta is 4x plus alpha into beta is 0 equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 4x equal to 0. No? So this is the formula, x square minus 4x equal to 0. Okay, this is the formula now. Second one is 3 and minus 10. Okay, so solution is let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equations, and during exam don't write this Q full stop equation, don't write in this form. You have to write fully, okay, quadratic equations. Therefore let alpha be 3, okay, and beta be minus 10, okay. Therefore alpha plus beta is, alpha is 3 plus beta is minus 10, no, that is 3 minus 10 is 3 minus 10 plus and minus minus 10 is minus 7, no, minus 7. Then there alpha into beta, that is alpha is 3 multiplied by beta is minus 10, that is minus 30. Now therefore the quadratic equation, is, what is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0, alpha into beta equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta, how much? Minus 7, minus, see, minus of minus 7, okay, x plus, this is alpha and into beta is minus 30, equal to 0. That is, therefore x square minus minus plus 7x plus and minus minus 30 equal to 0, and this is the required formula, and this is the required equation. This is the required equation, x square plus 7x minus 30 equal to 0. Third one is 1 by 2, another one is minus 1 by 2, okay. Therefore let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equations, okay. Therefore alpha is 1 by 2, okay, and beta be minus 1 by 2. Therefore alpha plus beta, that is 1 by 2 plus of, see, this is minus 1 by 2, that is LCM is common, 1, this is minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 2 means what? Answer is 0, okay. Therefore the quadratic equation, therefore the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Here we alpha plus beta, we have the answer is 0. Alpha into beta we didn't find, no, so therefore alpha into beta we have to find out now, that is multiply 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 2, okay, that is minus 1 1s are 1 divided by 2 2s are 4, 1 multiplied by 1 is minus 1, 2 2s are 4, okay. This is alpha into beta that we need here, no. Therefore x square minus, this is 0 x plus this is minus 1 by 4 equal to 0, see, okay. So here minus 0x is means 0. Okay, therefore x square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now multiplying both the sides by 4. Okay, multiplying both the sides by 4, that is therefore 4x square minus multiply by 4 means that 4 will go, so 1 equal to 4 multiplied by 0 is 0 equal to 0. That is, this is the answer. 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. Fourth one is 2 minus root 5 and another root is 2 plus root 5. Okay, there are two roots. Therefore, let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equations. Quadratic equation. Therefore, alpha be 2 minus root 5 and beta be 2 plus root 5. Okay, therefore alpha plus beta is, one is 2 minus root 5 plus beta is 2 plus root 5. Okay, here it is plus. Okay, that is how to add 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. This is, this 2 plus this 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and minus root 5 minus root 5 plus root 5. See, plus 5 minus 5, how it will get cancelled? 0, no? So minus 5 plus 5. The answer is 4. Now alpha into beta is 2 minus root 5. Okay, into beta is 2 plus root 5. Okay, this is a plus b into a minus b form. See, a plus b into minus b, a square minus b square, no? A plus b into a minus b form. Okay, that's a square minus b square. That is, therefore a square is 2 square minus b square is b square. A square minus b square. A plus b into minus b. That is, therefore 2 to the 4 minus, here root 5 multiplied by root 5. Answer is 5, no? That is 5. That is minus 1. Okay. Now, therefore, the quadratic equation is required quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is, what is the formula? X square plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square this is 4x plus this is minus 1, this is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x square plus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Okay, x square plus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. See, here formula is, here it has to be x square minus, here minus, here it is minus, here it is minus. So x square minus 4x equal to, therefore x square minus 4x, here it is again minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Students, in practice set 2.5 I have solved 1, 2, 3 and 4th one. Okay, in my next video 5, 6 and 7 I'm going to solve. Okay, if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you have any suggestion and if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so and also like and share. Okay, so okay then, bye.